don't usually see that. Look at all the snow on the steps with that tree gone. And look at the railing. Crazy. Crazy amount of snow. I'm gonna go out the front now. Hello, Simba. Hi, Simba. Hi, babies. Okay, gonna go out to do the chores. I was looking at the snow on the Mazda over there. It's pretty deep. Hello, Bobby. He heard me talking. He is out to see what's going on. Hi, Bobby. Sit. What a good boy you are. He is what a good boy. All right, so let's go for a walk. First thing is going to be getting the gate open. It might be interesting. We have to lock it because Buddy opens it, but I don't think he can get it open like this. Oh, yeah. I can get it. Maybe. There's enough. I don't think there's any chicken tracks yet because you see where the chickens are walking. They aren't venturing out in the snow yet. So there's no tracks across there yet. We'll see what it looks like, see if the chickens follow me today or not. Go feed the pigs. They didn't come after me. The chickens always come. I was just noticing those trees in the back too. I'm thinking we may lose those if the snow doesn't get off. That was a hard walk. I had to drag the snow the whole way. Couldn't pick my feet up out of the footsteps. But yeah, all the chickens are over there waiting. They're not coming this morning. But the pigs are out. They are still ready for their food, even though they have snow. The posts have nice hats on today too. I always like to see the hats on top of the post. So I had to put the food on top of the snow in the trough, but they're getting it. I gotta go get my second bucket for them. So the pigs are happy. They have their food. And they have their walk to the water and the walk to the house. And the rest of their pen is snow. And as you can see, I need to just shut the electric fence off because it's pretty buried. So we're gonna shut it off for the day. And 2 walks out here and not one chicken ventured. They're just waiting by the barn. I made them a nice little path too. There's the path to the back to the barn, and none of them came out. Look at those cars just covered with snow. One of them finally came, but she went through the deep snow. I didn't get my camera out in time. I didn't realize she was walking across there. And there's others that are starting to come out a little bit. I gotta find their food bowl over there though. It's buried completely. So the puppies are playing. They don't mind the snow at all. She's trying to come through the little footprints. I'm not going to open the gate. I could, but I guarantee that they are not going to come out when they don't come out when there's an inch of snow. So they're going to stay in their barn. I just put them some fresh straw, and I'm sure they'll come out and eat and drink, and that'll be all they do today. They're not going to come out wandering around. But it is beautiful out here. It's always pretty. Look at those mountains across. I love to look at those mountains across the way. Look how beautiful they look with snow. Yep, they are just beautiful. And we're getting more snow off and on. The winter weather warning is until 4 p.m. today. And it is 10 o'clock. And it's about 32 degrees, so there is dripping going on. The trees are losing their snow. But anyway, we have a serious snow day today, and I'll probably get some more pictures later. Monkey is finally coming. Hi, Monkey. Hi, baby. I was wondering where she was. The snow's a little deep for little kitty legs. She's trying to walk on the top, but it's not working. Come on, Monkey. I'll come get you. I'll carry you. So, look at Buddy's doghouse. And the buck shelter in the back. And the roof. It's a lot of snow. Oh yeah, look at the railing. And of course, I showed you this, pointed this out earlier. Without the tree there, we get snow on the porch, but wow, didn't figure it'd be that much snow. Here it is, just before dark, and we have a little bit of sleet going on. But as you can see, the trees over there didn't fall, and they're back almost upright again. And some of the snow's melted, and yes, Rodney made it out for work because the snow had been melting before he left. And the chickens came to the pig pen with me tonight, too. Well, it might be snowing today. It's all melted, but everybody's obviously still hungry. So everybody's waiting for their dinner. But you can see the very top of that mountain over there still got some obvious snow. And we have snow down here, but not as deep as it was. And I hope you've enjoyed watching our snow day. And we'll talk to you later. You have a great day.